Welcome to my channel, Intelligent Quiz Explorer. They say the beauty is on the inside, but can you guess which chocolate this is? I'm cutting open the world's top 10 favorites to see if you actually know what you're eating. Let's go. Can you guess the chocolate? Kit Kat. Can you guess the chocolate? Snickers. Bounty. Milky Way. Twix. Mars. Lion Bar. Dubai Chocolate. Toblerone. Kinder Bueno. Did those layers trick you? Tag a friend who claims to love chocolate and see if they can beat your score. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.